Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and of course we are back with another video for your head top. Today I will be going to the mall, Greenbrier Mall, to pick up my pair of the Fearless Air Jordan 1s. You already know what's going on, man. The Fearless Air Jordan 1s is definitely one of the most hyped, anticipated sneakers to drop at the end of the year. Now, we almost done with 2019, but we cannot leave without picking up this bang. Your boy Sniper Jones, I only hit on one pair. It was only available here in Atlanta on Foot Locker, and I'm going all the way to Greenbrier. Greenbrier is usually closed, but I'm all the way at Big Holla crib out here in Duluth. So how you feeling about that, Holla?
Hey, listen, all I know is my gas tank gonna be full when I get back.
Listen, man, these are definitely one of my favorite pair of Air Jordan 1 from the patent. But to be honest, I'm not really a big fan of the patent leather. I have seen these on foot. I've never seen them in hand, but from the looks of the pictures and stuff I've seen, I'm very, very excited about that. As well, I will be going for those Fear Guys on Sneakers app too, because Fear Guys is lit, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. Hopefully I hit on those too. If I hit on both of those, man, it's a good day for your boy Snipe. Also guys, I just traded my Nike Sakai's, the black pair. If you have not seen that video, I need you to click the link down below to see that video because that video was lit. See what I traded for, because I traded for a Grail. I actually got a shoe I've been wanting for a very, very long time. Other than that, man, you already know, man, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, because we lit. Also guys, follow me on Instagram, link is down below, and of course it's right there in the bottom right hand corner. Big Holla in the building, man. Tell them what the vibes is.
Hey, look, all I know is my guy say he don't like patent leather, so if any of your Concords or Bread 11 decide to fly up out your crib.
That's the thing. I don't like patent leather Jordan 1s. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to the 11s.
You ain't say that. You said patent leather. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those off your hand, my guy.
If y'all have not seen the last video, this man, bro, look, Cleveland Snipe almost came out. This man was at my crib and he decided to play a prank. He wanted to sell my Travis Scott 1s. And on top of that, he was just putting a lot of stuff in the bag. I thought it was a joke at first, but he got me well. If y'all want to see that video, I will link that down below too. It's over at Holla Squad
Y'all
TV.
give me some more prank ideas down below.
Nah, cause I don't really.
My setup game go crazy.
I don't really like pranks.
Bro, I even had a fake Cash App.
Fact, it was a fake PayPal. This man had a fake PayPal transfer. You went the extra mile for that, bro. Yeah. I ain't gonna hold you. It is very nippy outside. It is very nippy outside. But y'all know that don't stop Holla from wearing the famous Holla shorts.
You know what I'm saying? Holla shorts. We branding these for next year. So SneakerCon, spring, wherever we at, bringing Holla shorts to you. Brought to you by Way Before the Fame, Nick. I know we didn't negotiate nothing, but you doing it.
Listen, that's actually a very good idea. If y'all want Holla shorts on next season's merch, we can make that happen, bro. That would actually be dope as ever. To have like some Holla shorts. Now, no. If y'all don't know what the Holla shorts is, this is Big Holla. Yeah. And no matter what the weather is, no matter what the cause is, if we going to the mall or if we going to the club, you gonna have a pair of Holla shorts on, man. That's just how we rock it. That is like -8 degrees outside here in Atlanta. I don't know why it gets so cold out of nowhere, but that's not stopping my man from wearing them Holla shorts, and ain't stopping me from getting to the mugger. So that's just about it, man. We about to head out, get the vlog started, go get these Fearless Jordan 1s. Hit the like button right now, man. We driving almost like 40 minutes to go pick up these shoes. Don't play me, boy.
Oh yeah,
mamas don't play me.
I need y'all to head to that link in the description, follow Holla Squad TV, because that's what y'all came here for. And it's
whoa.
You know what I'm saying?
I wouldn't say that's what y'all came here for. I mean, you can do it while you here, but like, if that's what y'all came here for, bro, that's just tough. Bro, should we drive to the mall or should we teleport to the mall? Should we take it back?
We should teleport with the car to the mall.
All right, so this is probably gonna be new for a lot of my new subs, man. But you know, your boy Snipe Jones, I don't really have to drive. I just do that to make B-roll. I really know how to transport. Me and my boy Holla, man, we about to just be at Greenbrier, bro. Too much traffic and we like 40 minutes away, so we don't really feel like it. You ready, bro? Make sure the car is involved because the car has to be there with us. You know what I'm saying? Yo! Holla! What the? Yo, bro! Bro, yo, hold on, yo, bro, you supposed to stay with me.
I ain't teleporting no more, my guy.
This guy, bro. I'm
driving.
Bro, I told you to stay close, bro. Oh my goodness, man. You gotta show him the run in the famous Holla shorts. Show him the run in the famous.
That he gonna cry in the car, you know what I'm saying?
All right, guys, so as you see, man, we just teleported to the Greenbrier Mall, aka the down and dirty, boy. This is where I usually go to pick up all my shoes because, you know what I'm saying, they just always have me winning here. Me and Holla went for the Fear Guys on sneakers, and as you can imagine, if you follow me on Instagram, if you know my Instagram is right there. But if you can imagine, man, I took an L like I always do on sneakers app. So forget sneakers app, bro. I get emotional when it comes to this on guard, no cap. Basically, man, it's gonna be an in and out just like a robbery, you know what I'm saying? We gonna go
Don't
in.
say robbery, because they got a precinct connected to this mall, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my goodness,
So,
we gonna go in and not like is a heist better?
No.
We're gonna buy some shoes today. Very simple. We're gonna go in, we're gonna go out, man, pick them up, and then we slide in. Foot Locker here hates me. They got like my name and my face placard outside of the store because every time you never gonna slow down, Snipe, baby. I'm probably not gonna record, to be honest with you, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna probably have to like finesse the camera work. Unless my boy Big Holla wanna. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to finesse the camera work, you know what I'm saying, and make it all worthwhile. But we're gonna see when we get in shot. Let's get it. We're recording.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you, boy. Taking care of me. All right, y'all know what's going on, bro. Pick up secure, man. Shout out to the boy Big Holla for taking your boy on guard. You know what I'm saying? No cap. But nah, man. Hey, look. I think they finessed me, bro, because I tried to use my coupon, and they told me you can't use coupons. This is a quick strike. Now, they do say that a lot of times if you want to use military discount. Quick strike basically means like it's one of those sneakers that are like kind of like excluded from like using any type of discount or coupons and stuff like that. But like for the most part, if you ask to use military discount or if you ask to use like coupons and they just don't want to do it, they just say quick strike. They will say like a fila is quick strike if they don't want to do it. So you got to be careful with the whole quick strike finesse, man. Let me know if y'all was able to use y'all coupons. I mean, I'm cheap at heart, bro. Call me what you want to.
We coming back and
Facts.
giving them the beats.
Because I'm cheap at heart, bro. I be wanting to use my coupons, bro, like they mine. I earn those. So run it up. Hey, look, man. So I'm gonna go back to the crib. I'm gonna go back to Holla crib and show him these Air Jordan 1s to see what he think about them. Cause it's always funny to get Holla's breakdown on any sneakers that's dropping. You seen the pictures? How you feel from the pictures, bro?
I mean, they look pretty like regular. Like I would not pay $160 for them. If there's about like $50, $60, you know what I'm saying? More in my ball range.
But bro, it's not only you gonna get for $50 is like some black Air Force Ones.
Or some Vans.
I don't even know how much Vans cost you. You're probably right. All right, y'all. So right now we are at this taco spot that Holla put me on to a while back. Now, one thing I can say about Gwinnett, which is the north side, they do have some banging taco spots. I'm not gonna hold you. This spot in particular got some banging tacos for low price. So you know your boy Snipe about to come and get the regular. Every time I come out here, I get the same thing.
Get the 75 tacos for $2.
It ain't that bad, but I get the steak tacos joints, man. They be busting. Just wait till I show y'all them steak tacos. On mamas, bro. Them steak tacos be hitting different. I'm telling you, it'd be like real steak. They be back there chopping them joints up on dough. You know, bro, they really be good. And I also tried, what's that drink called? Horchata?
Horchata?
Yeah. So I tried a horchata. And I just say, you know, man, my stomach ain't appreciate it, but I mean, I did. You know what I'm saying? You see the vibes. Those the vibes over there.
Delicious.
I'm gonna think of it, bro. I've never had anything else except the steak taco. The chicken taco be straight.
It's decent. It's not better than a steak taco though.
That's what it is. So it's steak taco for me again. I'm one of them dudes, man. Once I find something I like, I stick to it. I kind of get criticized for that because I don't like to try a bunch of stuff. Also, I got terrible allergies, so I don't really try to try everything because I can't try to try everything.
But yeah, you should try the shrimp tacos. Go crazy.
Yeah,
too.
see, look, he trying to kill me. He trying to kill me.
You walking back to the crib. So y'all enjoy, you know what I'm saying, is walking back to the crib with Snipe.
Hold on. Actually, I said we rock, paper, scissors for your car.
All right.
If you really about that life, we gonna so how we gonna do it? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot?
Yeah.
Or 1, 2, 3, shoot?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors for his car. Brand new, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Brand new whip. You ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's what happened. Give me hand over them keys, my G. Hand over them keys, my dog. You know what I'm saying? Look, bro, y'all know the vibes, man. Now look, this is what happens when you try to make me walk, man. Karma just comes back so fast. Your boy just came up on a new whip, which means I'm selling mine. Because honestly, his whip a little bit better than mine, and it's better on gas. I don't really know if these the right keys, but we're gonna see when we get to the whip. Yes, sir. There you go, bro. Now, you know what? No. I'm a real one. I'm saying you can have your car back.
Nah, I lost it fair and square. You keep it.
See,
I'm gonna go cop another one.
Say again?
I'm gonna go cop another one.
You got too much money.
Nah, but
I just came off a new car. You know what I'm saying? I just came up a whole new whip. I ain't gonna lie. Let's just get to the car. I'm excited. Let's get to the car. Yes, sir. You see the new whip? You see the vibes, man. This is not a game. We do this. Oh no. Yeah. You can't get in the new whip, bro. Yeah, it's locked. Back up off the car. Let me get you over there. Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh yes. Let's get it. Let's get it. Look at this dude, man. I don't even feel sorry for him. Look at him. Look at him, man. Whose man's is this? Hey, yo, my man. Say what? Come here real quick, bro. Come here real quick, bro. I just want to talk to you for a second. Hey, you know you my brother, man. I wouldn't trip. Up out of here, boy. We ain't doing that. Come on, man. It's my whip now. Your boy, Sniper Jones. Woo, 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 woo. Appreciate that, my African-American brother. That's a nice polo hoodie, man. Where'd you get that from?
My closet. You know what I'm saying? My closet.
Yeah, but where you buy it from?
I bought it from,
You stole it, didn't you? Admit to the people you steal. All right, guys, we are back at the crib finally, man. Done running around with Holla. Finally able to show y'all what we picked up today. Y'all already know, because if you already seen the thumbnail, you already know the vibes. You already know the pickup of today. The pickup of today was an Air Jordan 1 Fearless. I've seen these so many times on my Instagram already. You already know when a new sneaker comes out. It floods your timeline for at least the first 3 days or so. And I always, on my channel, man, I always like to wait and save the first look until I can actually do it on camera live, because I don't know, just like that moment I want to share with y'all. So as I said earlier in the video, I'm not a huge fan of patent leather ones, but this might be the ones I really like. I still do have the gold toe ones. They DS, honestly. I might never wear them, to be honest. They might be on sale soon. I have no idea, but I'm just not in a rush to wear them because, like I said, I'm just not a big fan of patent leather ones. However, this particular pair of patent leather ones is fire. I love the colorway. I love the lace swaps you can do with it. So many different creative things I've seen with this shoe already just makes me want to dive into it. So without further ado, let's just do a quick little overlook of the shoe. Right off the bat, man, we got some paper that says, what does it say? Basically, it's like a quote that's printed thousands of times on the paper that you see right here, and it says, limits like fears are often an illusion. I've heard that quote before. I can't remember who did it, but I think that's a dope touch for the Fearless ones. And we peel this back, and we'll get, boom, the Fearless 1. Bruh. As I said earlier, I'm not a huge fan of the patent leather, and they already got like some scuffs on my joint, bro. Look at this. Look at this, bro. They already got a scuff on my joint. See that? See that right there? Right here? Tough. All right, this shoe is fire. Definitely gives me that UNC Chicago feel. If y'all ever seen the video I did, I don't know if Break ever posted a video we did on this channel, but we went through his whole entire sneaker collection and we basically picked out our favorite shoes. So when it got to like the Jordan 2, I picked the Air Jordan 2 UNC Chicago, the collab that he did with Converse that came with like that fast break Converse sneaker as well. Something about like this UNC colorway mixing with this Chicago colorway is always golden for me. It also has like this fear pull tab right here on the back. It says, limits like fears are often an illusion. Oh, I'm guessing that quote was Michael Jordan because it has Michael Jordan right there. Okay, cool. Here are the spare laces that we have. We have the blue pair, we have the white pair, and last but not least, we have that red pair. So here are the 3 lace swaps we have. Now, when I was looking on social media, I seen a lot of people lace swapping these, you know what I'm saying, mix and matching the lace on one shoe and the other. I'm not sure how I'm gonna rock mine or how I'm gonna do it, but I think I will be wearing these soon. I'm not gonna lie, this is a dope shoe for me. This reminds me of like summertime, man, when you go in and you see the ice cream man coming down the street and they got that firecracker popsicle, the one that like change colors throughout the shoe. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. I know you know what I'm talking about. Stop playing with me. Anybody who know when that ice cream truck rolled through, they got the firecracker American popsicles, bro. You got the blue at the top, the white in the middle, and the red at the bottom, or like mismatched. But y'all know what I mean. Now, as far as how limited these were, I do not know. I have no idea how limited these were. I just got back home. I haven't even touched my tacos yet, so that's first. Then after that, I'll probably dive into it and see just what the numbers look like on a wide margin. I know on sneakers, the last time I checked, they had like an 11 left, but it was like at 10-15, so I'm pretty sure sneakers are sold out. I also heard that Foot Locker had a few pairs left over. I'm pretty sure those gonna be sold out too. Easy to rock, man. Like I can throw this on right now and be fly, to be completely honest. I did just post a pic on Instagram as well, man. Go to my Instagram right now, like the pic I just posted because it was fire. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you sleep. And that's pretty much it, man. Thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate all you guys, man. All the love, all the support. I also went live. That is what I'm gonna try to start doing, going live when I'm doing pickup vlogs. Me and Holla was just like, we went live in the car before we came back to the crib. So if you've not seen that live, I want you to watch that as well. Now that's it. All right, that's it for good, man. I'm up out of here. It is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.